Alright guys, I went to start the Crossfire. All the electronics kicked on, but didn't even attempt to crank. Tried it again, started right up. So we're gonna check the relay module over here and see, from what I read online, right here, we'll disconnect everything and see if the soldering, I guess, has worn off on the back pins. So we'll pull it out real fast. All right, I pulled it out. There is absolutely nothing that holds it in there. It just slides down and they're pretty snug fit. So we'll just disconnect all the harnesses and then we'll pull this case off and see if we can see if it needs to be re-soldered. All right, we got it inside. It just pops out. There's these little tabs. I don't know if you can tell right there, that just hugs over the top of this lip. So just use a small flathead screwdriver, or in my case, I just used a butter knife, and just pop it up very carefully and it'll slide right out. So let's check these. Yep. All right, what we're looking at is these right up here. See how these are nice and covered? I don't know if you can tell, but the pins are pretty exposed right there. That's our problem on those two to the right. So we'll re-solder that and that should fix our problem. All right, we'll skip ahead to that. Okay, I had to go pick up a soldering kit and then got this to clean its flux paste. Just to clean up this contact so it doesn't have any corrosion. So we'll see how this goes. They're sealed on there a lot better. So we're gonna put it back in there and see if it starts. Got the harness all hooked back up. It literally just slides back down into place. We'll even put that on. We'll start it and see. Okay, let's see if the soldering fixed our problem. Yep. Cool beans. All right, that fixed our problem. Pretty easy to do. I've never soldered before. Very easy. Now I got a soldering kit, so that works out. Only about $30 with the cleaner. So way cheaper and easier fix. Try that first. If not, then replace your control module. See ya.